business benefit, I think, has been that the level of detail that's now available to individuals in the subsidiary to analyze their situation and take the appropriate steps has dramatically improved. And in our view, that has helped the business become successful during, or more successful during last year, and has been able or enabling us to basically create sustainable benefits for the business moving forward. So Microsoft Services is basically the service part of the Microsoft organization. It spans from customer services, which is anything to do with a question about using our products or informing about what products really can do for customers, pre-sales and after sales, but also our consultancy services, which is basically offering support in implementing solutions based on Microsoft technology.
Okay, thank you.
Services was a very separated business. We had different tools in different parts of the business, pre-sales, after sales, consultancy. But there was a big need for getting consolidated information to our leaders that would help them drive the business. So we set out basically to consolidate data from a lot of different systems to enable our management enabling our management to get the data that they require to make the right decisions.
The services organization is supported for around 12 or maybe more systems and applications, talking about data from SAP, Clarify, Sivo. So we actually first integrate this information and then we present the report. So we report over operational information, financial information, and this is combined also to provide more KPI or business metrics for the end users.
So that people could actually see the impact of cost coming out of a financial system based per headcount coming from our headcount systems, and how that is affecting our operational systems. And combining that is a level of complexity that we were able to achieve with SQL Server and Executive Viewer on top of that.
So for us it was very important a product that could integrate well with this technology and also provide very friendly OLAP browsing to our executive users. That was one of the key drivers for us.
Would our users be able to use Executive Viewer on top of SQL Server and have a look and feel that they would feel comfortable with in making their selections and data extracts that they need for running their business? And based on the deployment and the feedback from our users, it's absolutely clear that that's the fact.
From the end user point of view, I could say was a great help in the acceptance of the whole application, because it's very nicely and friendly interface, so users were more willing to adopt new things helped by this new interface.
So the flexibility was one of the key points for selecting this solution.
In the long run, they will prove to be very flexible. We as Microsoft are very, very dynamic, so we need partners that can fit into this model of, in certain way, some informality. They really help us in being fast and deploy things and collaborate with the project. It was a really good partnership, very good partnership relationship with them. Well, if the aims of the project has been achieved, yes, they have been. I think we actually went over that. The other area where we evaluated was the OLAP browser, where we evaluated Executive Viewer and other products similar as well.
So one of the key elements, I think, when selecting a solution is the company where the solution is coming from. Working with Temtec over the last year, but even before that, when we were selecting our tool to move forward with, has been very successful. We have been very supported by Temtec. I think we have challenged them in some of the things that we were trying to achieve, but at the same time, they stood up to that challenge and delivered on that challenge.